Hi everyone, so my name is Tina Jane and today we're going to do a Chinese New Year design. So I've drawn a little something of what I'm going to do. This one I'm thinking of doing on the thumb, and then obviously it has to be in line for your fingers for it to read right here. So this Chinese New Year is the ox, and there's a little one there. I'm undecided of which one I want to do yet, but we'll see on the way. And the colours we're going to be using are red and gold. And white as well. So I've already buffed and prepared these nails ready to apply a base coat. So we're going to place a base coat on all these nails, and then I'll just start off with the first one. Making sure that you cap the edge, and we're going to do that on all 5 of these nails. All 5 nails have been coated with a base coat, so we're going to put that under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to cover all these in apple red. I'll do the first one just to show you. We're going to do 2 layers of this. I'll cover all the nails, making sure you're capping. I'm just going to do all 5. All 5 have 1 layer of apple red, and we're going to cure these in the LED light for 30 seconds. Now we're going to apply a second layer of apple red. I'm going to do that on all 5 nails. All 5 nails now have a second layer of apple red, and we're going to put them in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, and now what I'm going to do with the design, because we've got a red background, I'm going to do the design in white first of all, and then after I've done the white and cured it, I'll then add either the glitter or the gold. I've not decided yet. I do want to use glitter because I want to make it a bit more New Year's theme, you know, exciting and stuff. So we're going to start off with the pinky. Now I got this design off Google for the Chinese New Year. So we're going to start off. So this is on the pinky finger, okay, which is going to be this finger first. We're going to cure that in the LED lamp while we do the next one. So now we're on the ring finger for this one, okay? And with that we're going to cure that in the LED lamp. And then now we're on the middle finger with this one, which is this finger. And then now we're going to do the index finger, which is this one. And then we're going to cure that one. And then lastly is the thumb. So I'll probably go with my first drawing. I just hope it turns out okay, we'll see. I'm going to start off by the nose in this area. To cure that in the lead lamp for 30 seconds. So far we have 2 coats of apple red and we have the white outline of the design. It's looking good so far. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to fill in the white parts with gold leaf because I think it looks fab. So, I mean, I do actually like it as it is, and you can play around with the designs yourself. But I'm going to add gold now. Okay, so we're going to do this one by one. So we'll start off, I actually might start off with the pinky finger. Now I don't want to do this layer too thick because I don't want to go over the white too much. But the reason I've used the white in the first place is so that it really brings out the detail of the writing. Lovely, so there's the first one. So I'm just going to show you the difference. The white actually does stand out a bit more, but with it being gold, I just think it's much nicer and much more New Year's vibe. So I'm going to do all 5 in gold. Right, so all these have been coated and cured with the gold leaf. I'll try and give you a bit of a close-up. Just looks so good. So I'm going to coat these in the non-white top coat. So this is a glossy top coat. Now it's up to you, you can do a matte, and if you want the gold to shine through, you could then line it with the non-white top coat so it's then matte with a glossy where the glitter is. But I'm just going to do the non-white top coat on all nails. So all 5 nails have now had a layer of non-white top coat, and I'm going to place that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And there we have your completed Chinese New Year nails. Thanks for watching.